Hello students, welcome to our class, and this is our computer class. Students, today we will learn about the MS Excel, and in MS Excel today we will learn how to use some important functions, some important operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using operators. Okay, so in my previous lecture I explained you about the ribbons, different commands in the different tabs like home tab, then insert tab, then page layout, formulas, data, review and developers. And I will explain I explained you the auto sum functions, and in auto sum function here 5 functions like sum, average, count number, max, minimum. Okay, so these all function I explained in a previous lecture. So student, today we will use the operator and perform the functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So before this, just write the headings: number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and here addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, then type the numbers here, 5 numbers. Third, fourth number and fifth number. Okay, again second row, I insert the second row, 34, then 69. So first set the alignments of this number. So here this is the alignment options. Okay, group of alignments. So select the center align, from the ribbon. Then here click on the bold option, then just increase the size as a 12, right? Then we will apply these 4 functions on these numbers, 5 numbers. So just click on the addition, double click on this cell, this cursor will appear. Then using a keyboard type the command is equals to, first equal to, then here you want to add the numbers on that cell, this, then this number, then this number, this number and this number. So just type the cell address. Okay, I explained you in my previous lecture about the cell address. Cell address means this is the cell address of this cell, and the cell address is E2 because here E column and second row. So the E2 is the cell address of this selected cell. It's clear. So you can type using the keyboard or just select the using the mouse, select the cell using the mouse. So first click on this first cell, then using keyboard type the add symbol, add sign. Okay, then second cell, again plus symbol, then third cell, again plus symbol, then fourth plus symbol and fifth. Understand? If we want to add these 5 numbers and we want the answer of this sum of these numbers on that cell, so just write the formula equals to what I type. Just if this is a cell, so just type here equals to, then cell address, and cell address of first number is A2, then B2, C2, D2 and E2. So type here A2, then plus B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. So type here this cell address. Understand? Then press enter key from the keyboard. So this is the addition of these 5 numbers. Understand? Then subtraction. If you want to subtract any one number, just like here, just type the click the equal symbol, then if you want to subtract the 78 from this 90. Okay, so type the cell address first, E2, then minus symbol using the keyboard, then D2, then enter. So this is a answer of the subtraction. Okay, again third operation is multiplication. If you want to multiply all the numbers, then select the is equals to, first equal sign, then first cell, multiplication. So for multiplication, use the asterisk symbol from the keyboard. So where is asterisk? Press shift key and the number 8 key. Okay, on the keyboard there are the number key 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. So press the 8 key. Okay, so this symbol is known as a asterisk symbol. Then again second number, again asterisk key, third number asterisk, fourth number asterisk, and fifth number. Okay, and then press enter key. So this is a multiplication, answer of the multiplication of these 5 numbers. Then division. If you want to divide the numbers, this fifth number divided by fourth number, then is equals to, write the symbol equals to E2 divided. So for division, use the slash from the keyboard. So slash, then number 4, then press enter key. Understand, student? So these are the functions. So in this way you can use the operators just like for addition use the plus symbol, minus using a minus symbol. For multiplication use this asterisk symbol, division use a slash, understand? First type the equal sign, then cell address, then operator, again cell address. Okay, just like cell address minus cell address, asterisk cell address for multiplication, then cell address slash cell address for division. Understand? Then if you have the number of rows, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, okay, so just apply this function for first row only. Then for all the rows, just select this cell and select this cell. Okay, select this row and place the cursor on that corner. The plus sign appear, the dark plus sign will appear, then drag and drop. Just a minute. Select the row, then drag and drop. Understand? So these functions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, these function will apply for second row also. You can check using the calculator. Okay, again I repeat here some numbers just like 1 2 3, just to insert the simple numbers, then 4, then 5. Here 5 numbers. Okay, so select this row. Okay, select from the functions. Okay, from here, don't select these numbers. Okay, and then from the right corners, drag and drop. So answer addition, just add this number 1 plus 2 3 9, then 13, the addition is 15. Okay, so 5 10 and 5 15. Okay, then subtraction, subtract the this cell minus this cell. For multiplication, or multiply all the numbers 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. For division, just we divide the number 5 divided by 4. Understand? So you can, if you have the number of rows, for example you have a 60 row, so just insert the numbers and apply these functions for one row only. Then you can drag and drop for the next row. It's clear, student? So this was today's lecture. In our next lecture, I will explain you the conditional formatting. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day.